India has approximately 60 crore smartphone users, and many of these users lose their mobile phones. Every day, thousands of phones, yes, you heard it right, every day phones worth crores of rupees are lost or stolen, and most of them are never found again. It's not only money, but your precious data, your priceless memories in the form of images, videos, your financial information, etc. All are gone forever. But not anymore. The Government of India has launched Sanchar Saathi Portal to help you get your phone back. Let's see how. Welcome to Pathanti Gyan Ka Microdose. Let's understand this in a few easy steps. If you lost your phone, then step 1, file an FIR, which means First Information Report, with the nearest police station and get a copy of it. Step 2, go to Central Equipment Identity Register or CEIR website. In CEIR services, select blocked, stolen or lost mobile and follow a few super simple steps and press the submit button. Wait, you will get your unique request ID. Note it down and keep it safely. You will need it for future reference. What happens after you block your phone's IMEI? After the successful submission of a blocking request, your phone is blocked within 24 hours. After the phone has been blocked, it cannot be used on any network across India. But the police can still track your phone. What is an IMEI number? An IMEI number stands for International Mobile Equipment Identity. Think of it as your phone's fingerprint. It's a 15-digit number unique to each device. Service providers and manufacturers share IMEI numbers to enable tracking of smartphones that may be stolen or compromised. Microdose. How to know your phone's IMEI number? Dial this to get your IMEI number. Or in your phone, go to Settings, About Phone and find your IMEI number. If you are using a dual SIM mobile with 2 SIMs, then you will have 2 IMEI numbers. So write them down and keep them in some safe place. Did you know that you can get a maximum of 6 SIM cards if you live in Jammu and Kashmir or Northeast and 9 SIM cards for the rest of India? If you think your phone is infected by any bot, malware or virus, then go here and download the cleaner and secure your phone. Microdose. Let's get back to getting back our mobile phone. Step 3. You can check the status of your complaint here. Step 4. After you get your mobile phone back, we wish that you get it back soon. You will have to unblock it. How? Go here. Again, follow few super easy steps. Done. You are reunited with your phone. We hope this video was useful to you. By the way, want to know about the most talked about trending technological revolution? ChatGPT. Watch here. Thank you very much for your time.